What's going on, Mixonites? It is time to pull the hair back and put on a sweatband. And if you don't have hair, the sweatband, it still works. What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach, and in today's video, we are going to increase your muscular recovery by doing a full body exercise. Or full body workout. Full body workouts are the best workouts to get things done when you don't have a lot of time. On top of that, it's going to maximize your caloric burn in less than 30 minutes. And since you're going to have all this extra time on your hands, I want you to make your way over to my Instagram and hit that follow button. I'm trying to get to 10,000 Mixonites, so make sure you help me out there. And I will be posting there daily content and also stories. So stories are really funny. That's what I hear. Now in this video, we are going to go through 8 different exercises. Of course, they're going to last 30 seconds each, give you 20 seconds to break. So make sure you do the best you can with the time that you have, okay? If you feel like you're falling to the wayside, make sure you take a break, pick yourself back up, and do it all over again. 4 rounds is what I'm going to ask you to do for me. So this should last, give or take, 30 to 40 minutes. So make that time count. Matter of fact, let me know in the comment section below, how fast did you get your workout complete? How fast did you complete those 4 rounds? Speaking of comments, positive comments is what I am looking for. So if you do have something to say, make sure you comment down below and it may get featured in the next video. All right, grab your mat and grab your water. We are gonna start this exercise out with the squat punch, all right? So your feet gonna be about shoulder width apart. You're gonna squat down to that nice squat position, getting your legs parallel to the ground. You're gonna sprint up with the chest up high, punch it to the left and also punch it to the right. Don't forget to pivot that foot because that's gonna help you work your core muscles. So knock it out. Halfway through the workout, keep pushing. Five seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and take a break. We're gonna do a lunge rear front kick with the left foot, okay? So you're gonna go into a nice lunge position. You're gonna lift your leg up and that's gonna work your glutes. Then you're gonna come back down to that lunge position and kick forward. That's gonna help work your quads, okay? So it's gonna hit your core too at the same time. It's gonna take some balance, as all things should be. Drive the weight of your body into the heel of that front foot. Five seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a break. We're gonna do all that over again with the next foot, okay? So if you had no balance on the next one, you probably gonna have no balance here either. But that's okay though. That means we gotta just get that core stronger and we get that balance right too as well. And let's go. If you're like me right now, your quad is on fire. Keep pushing through. You got 10 seconds left. Hold what you got. 5, 3, 2, 1, and break. We have the lateral lunge and burpee next. So with the lateral lunge and burpee, we're gonna lunge to the left and also lunge to the right, going into that burpee and getting a nice little hop. Keep your body in a low profile the whole entire time. This is gonna work your shoulders, your core, your glutes, your quads, your whole body. Let's go. Find your rhythm and hold that beat. Five seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. We have the crab reach next. Now with the crab reach, you want your palms of your hands or your fingers to point towards your toes, okay? Feet should be a little bit more than shoulder width apart. And you're gonna reach up to the top of the ceiling or whatever you're looking at, the sky, with your glutes up as high as possible. It's gonna work your core, your triceps, your glutes, your quads, everything. Keep reaching for the skies, halfway there. Engage your core through this whole entire workout. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and take a break. We have the side dip leg lift with the left leg, okay? Balance will be everything here. If you find any issues holding your balance or holding yourself up, bring your arms down a little bit lower so you're on your forearm, and that's going to give you a bit more balance. 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there. If you can't do the leg lift, hold yourself in that same position, but just concentrate on the dips. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Next workout is going to be the side dip leg lift with the right side this time. Same concept is going to apply. Engage the core the whole entire time and get that leg up as high as possible. Let's go. "15 seconds left, halfway there. "5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. And the last exercise is going to be the alternating leg lift. You're going to bring your shoulder blades off the ground, engaging the core the whole entire time. Legs straight, you're going to bring one parallel to the ground and one lateral to the ground. But don't touch the ground. You're going to have at least 6 inches from the ground. Ground, 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 ground. Get ready to go and start. Do not forget to breathe through this whole entire workout. Slow and controlled breaths. If you can go faster, go faster. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Awesome job, everybody. Congratulations, you have made it through the round, and remember, 4 rounds is going to be your minimum, so do not cheat yourself. Don't forget to comment down below with the time that you took to complete this video, and also follow me on Instagram at nathen.mixon. Like I said before, we are trying to get the 10K followers. This is going to help me open up a shop so I can get you some cool swag. If you want more full body workout routines just like this video here, make sure you click in the top right hand corner where I have a plethora of different types of workouts. I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach. Make sure you stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.